Hello, and welcome to this Insource production of renaming a SQL Server instance after a node name change. These are the general steps we'll follow in the process. First, we'll check the host name through the command prompt. Then, using SQL Management Studio, we'll check the current server name. Then, we'll execute the rename queries. And finally, we'll verify the name change after restarting the services. Okay, now let's begin. Now, to begin the process, we go to the server that we just recently renamed, and we verify that the host name was successfully changed. And you can do that by opening up a command prompt and typing in the word hostname. And it will give you the name of the new name of the server. In this case, it's called new server. I'm going to minimize that. And now we're going to open up SQL Management Studio. And this is where the actual name change is going to take place. Now, when we open it up, we get this connect to server dialog box, and you can see that the old name is still there. You're not going to be able to log in with that, so you're going to have to put in the word localhost and type and click on the connect button, and that will allow you to log into the system, or in this case, the database instance. Now, once we are successfully logged in, we'll click on the New Query button, and that'll bring up the query window. Now, in the query window, let's find out what SQL Server thinks the server name is by typing in select, the two @ symbols, and server name. Now, you can see that it already kind of helps populate the field for you. And just select it and click on execute, and that's going to bring up this particular result, and that result is the old server name. Now let's change the server name to the new server name by hitting the enter key twice, and let's go to another line and let's type in this particular stored procedure, sp drop server, open quotes, and I'm going to just simply come down here and right click and copy the old name, and I'm going to paste it. So I pasted it, and I closed single quote, and then I hit enter and then type in the word go, and let's hit the enter key twice again. Let's start a new line, and this time we're going to add the command add server. And I'm going to put in the new name of the server, but I'm going to do it the easy way by opening up the DOS prompt and selecting copy or mark, and I'm going to mark the new server name, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to add a close quote, and then I'm going to add the word local. Hit enter and the word go. Now these two queries are what actually drops the old name of the server and adds the new name of the server. And so we'll just highlight these two queries and execute. Now, if everything goes well, we'll get this commands completed successfully. Now, after this, let's highlight the instance, right click, and restart. You can do the same thing by rebooting the server, but this is more convenient. And we get the informational message, do you really want to start the SQL Server service? And then you say yes. And since I have the agent service running as well, I'll get that message and I'll just say yes again. And it'll go through the process of stopping and restarting the SQL Server service. Now, once that's complete, we can simply go back up to the first query we executed, just simply highlight it and select execute, And you'll get, for the first time, you'll get this message, but that's not a problem. Just execute the query again. And now you see that the SQL Server instance has been renamed to the correct name of the server. So that concludes how to properly rename a SQL Server instance after a node name change on the computer. Thank you. Need to learn more about this and other Insource products? Check out our training tracks designed to guide you down your learning path for Insource products. Whether you're using a classic InTouch and Historian architecture or using System Platform, we have a track to help you get the most out of your software investment. To register or learn more, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching this Insource video.